How smart tech might be too smart for its own good. Imagine living in a world where your fridge keeps tabs on your diet. Your doorbell knows your daily schedule better than you do, and your light bulb might be sharing their knowledge with strangers. If this sounds like the plot of a sci-fi thriller, think again. It's real life in the age of smart technology. While these devices bring undeniable convenience, they also carry hidden dangers that could make you rethink connecting your toaster to Wi-Fi. Number 1, surveillance. Are you always being watched? Smart devices are, by design, attentive. Smart speakers like Alexa and Google Home are always listening, ready to respond to your commands. But this always-on feature can be a privacy minefield. Unintentional data collection has raised eyebrows as these devices might capture sensitive information, even when they're not in active use. A slight error or hack could turn your device into an uninvited guest at your conversations. Creepy, right? Number 2, data collection. The trade-off for tech convenience. Most smart gadgets gather data to enhance user experience. Think custom playlists or adaptive home temperatures. But this data often includes details about your daily habits, location, and even speech patterns. When companies don't safeguard this treasure trove, breaches or sharing with third parties without clear consent can occur. Essentially, owning smart tech means agreeing to let companies be privy to your private moments. Number 3, hacking risks. The Botnet Brigade. From smart thermostats to connected light bulbs, each device represents a potential gateway for hackers. Some of these innocuous gadgets can be commandeered to become part of botnets' massive networks used to execute cyber attacks, such as distributed denial of service attacks. Your smart devices might unwittingly become a foot soldier in a cyber army without you knowing. Number 4, steps to protect yourself. The good news, you don't have to throw your smart speakers out the window. Here's how to enjoy smart tech safely. Change default passwords. The factory settings might as well say, "Hack me." Customize them. Regular updates. Firmware updates fix vulnerabilities. Don't skip them. Segregate your network. Consider a separate network just for your smart gadgets, limiting access in case of a breach. Final thoughts. Smart technology brings ease, but at what cost? While the fridge tracking your smart habits might seem trivial, the potential for misuse or data breaches should prompt us all to use these devices with a bit more caution. So go ahead, embrace the tech, but keep your wits about you and make sure your digital assistants aren't plotting behind your back. Stay safe, stay secure, and remember, it's all fun and games until your smart vacuum starts asking for a raise. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for reading, watching, and listening.